Okay, that goes in there like that. This gasket appears to be matured. You know what that means?
No, sir.
That means it's no damn good anymore. We got all these gaskets here to choose from. Do you like any of these? None of these appear to be the right size for this bike. I don't know what all these little holes are for. How about this one? There's lots of holes in this one. Doesn't get any of them line up with anything that matters though. That one's not good either. How about this one? No, that's a squarish one. It's big enough. Nothing lines up. How about this one? Ooh, look at that. Nope. Any more to choose from?
Those only ones right here?
These are the ones we got here. None of them match. It's supposed to be for this bike, but you'd think they'd have one for a Delphi throttle by wire injector. I think they're all the same, aren't they?
Nah.
I assume this is stock, isn't it? None of the stuff lines up. Yeah. I guess you just have to reuse the old one. I think it'll fit. Where these go? Those just go in there. No gaskets or anything. Ooh, these have some kind of an O-ring on these. You got that O-ring?
On one of them.
Where?
In the basket.
No O-rings in here. In here?
It just shows up in there.
What's that? That didn't go in this.
Oh, they're on the other side. Yeah.
Oh, chromium shit. Care about that.
Well, it actually looks cool.
To who? What about all these O-rings over here? We got one we can use. We got lots of little O-rings. Stuff that in the hole will be fine. How about that one?
Nah.
No, you don't like that one? How about this one?
Nah.
You don't like that one either? How about this one right here?
Looks just about right.
Okay, we got two of those. We got one of those. Oh, there's two. Nope, that's different. That's the only one we have. That's the only one. There's an old one over here though. Yeah, it's a bit bigger. It's too big. You got another one of these?
There should be some in the plastic.
Yeah, there's one. Boom, boom. There, you didn't think I had anything for that, did you?
Exactly.
There you go. You're good to go. What do these things do? Any bolts, any washers or anything in here? Looks like they just hit in there and just tighten up. These are high flow breather design here.
And they're gold.
Yeah, not you can see them at all. What size are they? How about that size? There we go. How close are they? Look at it, it's almost perfect. Except for the fact it doesn't line up with the crap. It's almost perfect. I think we're going to have to loosen up the intake manifold and let it reposition itself. Put these bolts in here. Where are all these at? Put those somewhere?
They should be in the basket.
Put these in here. What's your 5/8 wrench at for these? Got one of those?
Yeah, let me find it. 5/8 wrench.
That's too much work.
Well, it's probably one behind you.
Probably one in my bucket right here.
Yeah. The bucket, you got everything you need.
No, I don't have a spark plug socket. I just have a 5/8 deep well socket. Oh, I can't see what I'm doing. The video guy's not keeping track of what's going on. That is not a 5/8. This must be 11/16. Can't read anymore. It's all worn off. That's the 5/8. I got took some meat off my finger. Damn motor's fighting back. Suck the blood out of it. Bloodsucker. Okay, this is in the way now. I can't get the wrench. This is the tools I need. So what kind of bolts go in that cover up there?
Right here?
Yeah, are they just Allen's or are they anything special or what?
They're, I think Star.
Torx head, huh?
Yeah.
You got a Torx head laying in your little extra parts thing there? Okay, now are we going to be able to unscrew this before it breaks or is it broken for good? This is in the way of this one. There's one going there. They're not flathead. Look at my tool almost clears that. Somebody made this wrong.
You probably made it.
You could be right. Okay, those are loosened up now. Did you find anything goes in there yet?
Had a potential, but you said that those wasn't it, so.
Those weren't it. That's a big movement.
How many screws is it? 3 over right
3 of them. It still doesn't move that way. Where's my hammer at? You're hiding it from me over there. I saw that. Doesn't want to move over that way. Yeah, they'll still line up just right. Now, what do you got in here? Anything important?
Trying to see what these go to.
These look like derby cover for primary.
Oh yeah, they are.
You sure? What you do is you take your bucket of crap. You go like that. You think that'll work?
No, that's for primary.
How about this one? This one? That we don't use yet. I know that won't work. How about that? You got 3 of those? That won't work. So after you take away everything that doesn't work, what's left? There's the O-ring oil also. Okay, what do we got left? Yep, 1/4 inch. Good Allen's. How many button head screws do you need? It's not that. Is there anything else that bolts onto here you know of?
Yeah, no filter.
That bolts on the outside edge, doesn't it? Not these long screws. We're running out of options here, boss. I'm thinking it's these 3 short screws, but you got 4 of them here. And you got these little button head things over here. Now these 3 have the same color to them. These 5 here fit primary.
And these 2.
What 2? Those are probably going on the outside piece. I threw the other
Yeah.
one. I threw the other one over there. Okay, you got 5 of these here that are probably for your derby cover, which is laying over there in a pile. So these are for the derby cover. Okay, these here look way too long to use. These here are an option. We got 4 of them now. They are an option though. We have 3 of these, and we only need 3. And if you mysteriously look at the red Loctite in there, it matches the red Loctite on these. So I'm guessing these go in here. There's your derby cover. You need a bunch of grease to hold that in or put a new one on it. But that does not fit on top of this. It'd be too big.
Yeah, I know that.
You knew that? You sure? Sure about that? Where's your Torx wrench for getting these in and out? You got one? It looks like an Allen wrench. Sure those are Torx?
Yep, let me get the filter.
There's a Torx. It looks like an Allen wrench to me. Looks like an Allen, fits like an Allen. I'm thinking it's an Allen. I'm gonna use an Allen wrench on it. Okay, my guess is you got red Loctite on there, but if you put red Loctite on a screw that small, I think the screw would break if it was actually real red Loctite. So we're gonna use blue. Oh, I got the other blue. I'm gonna use this blue. This one's more empty. We're using this one up today. If this is actually red Loctite, it should have broke the screw off. Use my socket to do it. Get it lined up and everything. Make sure you put a liberal amount on there. You do not want these inside your motor. There we go, got that one to start. That should line it close now. Yep, there it goes. See, once you jam that one in, then that one went in. But I couldn't put that one in without this one being in. Okay, now go ahead and bring these in. A lot of adjusting going on here. Okay, where's the other one out? Squeeze in. Okay, we're going to tighten up our Allen wrenches. Manifold bolts on the inside there.
Why don't you blow this out with the air?
Why, is it dirty?
Yeah, look.
You got to blow from the inside out. Otherwise you just blow the dirt into the filter.
Well, this part can't come off.
Why won't it come off?
It's not made to come off. I was talking about this part, dude. Funny.
I didn't say anything. I know what you're talking about.
Funny.
I'm talking about the other guy.
Oh, okay. Sounds about right.
I would never call a dumbass or dumbass.
Watch it.
Okay. Go back over here. Torque these in the rest of the way, and I go back and torque those other ones. I'm just going to bring these in until these touch. Right there.
Just blow this out, right? Don't soak it.
No, don't soak anything. Just take it outside and blow on it. So blow from the inside to the outside. And don't put direct pressure on it. It's 150 pounds air back there. You blow a hole through that damn thing.
Alright.
Okay, now we torque these down over here. These the best that I can. Oh, that does move. Alright. You can move injectors out of the way a little bit. Alright. Probably need to move it more than I just did. Just can't move that damn thing. Okay, that's tight. Put back where it goes. On this side, do the same thing. There we go. That's tight. Put that injector back where it goes. Now we go over here. A mini wrench. Work on that. Didn't break it yet. I still don't know what that big crack noise we heard was. One more chance to break it. Didn't break. Okay, go back over here. Which is that one's right here. Put a good amount of torque on these. That's tight. This one feels a little loose, but it's tight. Don't push it too much more. And the last one you do these ones on the side of here. These are hollow, so you want to break them off. Yeah, so we only torque them about that much. And then we get this fancy cover here. So you put in front, one on the back, and you only got one. See, the air current goes that way, so let's put this in the back. There's my hand. Use a rubber hammer, plastic hammer. Where's your other plug at? Fall off?
Which one?
The one that's missing.
Oh, it is one missing.
So what the breathers do is blow on the ground. Where's the air flush?
Let me see something.
Oh, it's supposed to go around that. Yep, those are the flat. They had to go. Alright, don't put that in there now because we have to be able to carry the motor.
I just want to see how I was going to post it in place.
I think this goes up here in the floor right here. Shift it. Power shift it. This has to be off to put the motor in, doesn't it?
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
No.
Tighten it up. Put it in there for good. And like a ball in there. I see no evidence of Loctite. I usually put red on motor mount bolts. For some reason I like the motor mount bolts coming loose. There you go. goes. Where's your torque wrench at? Torque wrench. Ready? It's tight. You want to check the torque on this? Appears to be tight. It's not moving. What do you got for an oil filter? You put the old one back on?
Where it is?
Oil filter.
Right here? Is it right here?
Oil filter. No.
Who said that?
Oil filter. It's that thing that oil goes into.
Where we put it?
About this big around, about that long. Probably black. Might be chrome on your bike, probably black.
Where'd you put it?
What, you gonna put the old crappy one back on? You put a new one on there like it belongs.
You got a new one?
I might have one or two floating around. This goes over here, but it's gonna be in the way if you put it on the bike right now. Still missing your washer, so I came up with one over here, but it's not exactly correct. And all the rotor goes over there that we don't have. Did you clean that stuff up yet?
Oh, I'll do it now.
You didn't do it. I knew it. I knew we didn't do it.
I was doing what you told me to.
Oh, it's all my fault.
I was taking care of your wish.
Oh, look at that. Throttle works. I'm just gonna reach in and go like that. You don't need a throttle by wire. Throttle by finger. That's how you make that work. All right, there you go. Late model twin cam. Was it 11, 12? Whatever year it was. 103. All right, that's it for this one. Into the bike next.